Swap bread for this recipe and lose weight a lot. For this recipe, we will be using 100 grams of rolled oats. Using 100 ml of milk. Let's mix all these two ingredients very well. And let it rest for about 5 minutes. While you're resting, I'll be here peeling a banana. And kneading it very well. And guys, you're already taking advantage of the moment, and you're already commenting on which city you're watching us from, and I'm going to send a super special hug to each of you who are commenting. Let's mix it very well. Now I'm going to add an egg. And hit again. And guys, this recipe is wonderful. I'm sure this recipe will help you lose weight. I'm going to add a little spoonful of salt here. A spoonful of sugar. A spoonful of cinnamon powder. And let's mix again. Now I'm going to add a spoonful of baking powder. And mix very well. In an additional frying pan, a drizzle of oil to spread. And add our recipe in small portions like this here. But if you want, you can also make a single portion. Ready. When it is roasted on one side, just turn it over to roast the other side, and then just remove it. And our recipe is ready. And it turned out wonderful. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it. So take advantage of it. Already comment to me how many kilos you want to lose weight. So if you liked it, already share it and see you next time.